Carrie Stringer, and I'm the caretaker you've been looking for.
I'm an avid outdoor enthusiast, a windsurfer, and a PADI-certified advanced scuba diver.
As an experienced corporate spokesperson, I know how to reach the travelers you need. According to the Australian Board of Tourism, 63% of all travelers going to Australia are over the age of 35. And while the United States ranks 4th in the amount of people who visit Australia, they rate number 2 in amount of money spent there.
At age 42, I not only know the tourist you're looking for, I am one.
I am skilled in video production, editing, and photography, and I'll create compelling, exciting, and beautiful blogs that will espouse everything Hamilton Island and Australia have to offer.
These are just a few of the key reasons I'm the perfect candidate for this position. I look forward to sharing all of my qualifications with you in person.
For more information and to see examples of my work, check out my website and follow the login instructions seen on the screen.
Thank you for your consideration, and we'll see you